Maybe she got him.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe she got him. When did the world of this all come about? Huh?
He's had this hive. This beehive has been here.
Did you just start doing this?
Bee Lady Laura here, trying to catch a bee swarm. I've got some bees in the box with my little basket, but I don't know that I have the queen, because a good bit of them have gone back to the tree. Can you see that little spot? So I need to go in there and shake them into my pot again. Yeah, be nice. It's kind of steep here. I don't know if you can see the terrain. Ah, didn't mean to do that, but yeah, it's kind of a hillside, so I'll give it another try.